So here is how you can reset your Android phone, but without losing anything. So let me explain the whole thing. And if it's your first time being here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so whenever you get inside of your settings app and find the general management menu, at the bottom of this page somewhere, you should find the reset button or menu, right? And when you go there, there are plenty of ways to reset your device, but which doesn't really lose or delete your content, right? So you can see part of the reset section, I can find things like resetting all settings, right? For example, or below resetting the mobile network settings or Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or the accessibility. And these are the things which, if I click on reset, it doesn't apply to the content. It doesn't delete my photos, contacts, files, or apps, or even anything else. It just resets the settings, right? Individual ones like Wi-Fi settings reset means that you disconnect from all of the known networks, right? So you will have to manually retype the Wi-Fi password. So if you mean any of those options, then this is what you can do. But below the factory data reset, this is the more serious step, which you are probably wondering about. Like if you go with the factory data reset, you can see and read based on the description there that it's going to actually delete everything, right? So that is the option which you likely want to avoid. So I wouldn't do that. And if you want to actually wipe your phone clean and still keep the data, you can perform a backup. So you can see at the top, we have two ways to back up this device. So I can use a cloud backup, which is temporary on the Samsung Cloud in my case, or I can perform an external storage backup where I would just connect an SSD or some kind of USB stick, which is large enough so it can accommodate all of my data and everything will be saved to another place so I can then wipe the iPhone clean without any issues. So that is the thing which I wanted to explain in this video. Let me know if you found what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.